So what is a backyard hoop house? Well, essentially a hoop house is a greenhouse that's constructed out of galvanized steel poles, treated poly, special greenhouse grade plastic, end walls, windows, doors, vents, and some form of ventilation for the sides. Now a hoop house is going to collect the heat, it's going to collect the light, and it warms up this space in an incredible manner, opening up all kinds of opportunities for the backyard gardener and the farmer alike. You can see these early greens are getting a tremendous start, as many of these are overwintered. Some of them were planted in January. The hoop house is really the backyard farmer or permaculturist's answer to how to compete in a New England climate. The hoop house keeps the dangerous winds and cold rain out and allows you to really manage the climate to maximum advantage.